The man she loves, Guru, is about to marry Tejaswini. On top of that, her dream of becoming a doctor has already been shattered, leaving her completely broken, lonely, and emotionally drained. At this lowest point of her life, a new twist enters her fate. A young man named Ishan Saxena steps into her world. Ishan has also suffered deeply. His engineering dream was destroyed due to poor financial conditions. Life has been equally cruel to both of them, and destiny brings them together at a moment of emotional collapse. When Ishan sees Ruhani's pain, he refuses to stay silent. He encourages her to stand up for herself and face the truth. He reminds her that if Guru could force her into marriage against her will, then she also has every right to fight for her love and her future. His words ignite something powerful inside Ruhani. Slowly, a dangerous but bold plan begins to take shape. With Ishan's intelligence and the support of Ruhani's sister, they decide to take an extreme step that changes everything. In a shocking twist, Guru is kidnapped directly from the wedding mandap, throwing the entire ceremony into chaos. As tensions rise, an unexpected turn of events leads to Ruhani and Guru's marriage being completed again according to rituals. However, peace is still far away, and the storm is only beginning. Meanwhile, at the Chaudhary mansion, celebrations are in full swing. The family elders are overjoyed, believing Guru is finally marrying Tejaswini, a wealthy and influential woman who will elevate their status. But Guru's mother is deeply uneasy, sensing danger beneath Tejaswini's fiery and unpredictable nature. Everything turns upside down when the priest calls for the groom, and Guru is missing. Panic spreads instantly through the entire gathering. To save the family's reputation, Guru's elder brother Banti makes a painful and shocking decision. He silently agrees to take Guru's place in the mandap, hiding his identity under the wedding rituals so that no one discovers the truth. The ceremony continues without suspicion until the moment the veil is lifted. Tejaswini is devastated when she realizes she has married Banti instead of Guru. Her shock instantly turns into rage. In front of everyone, she slaps him and accuses him of betrayal, humiliating him publicly. The situation spirals out of control. Banti's wife, Jasleen, is unable to bear the emotional shock and collapses in deep distress. Nageshwar, consumed by rage, points a gun at Banti. Crying and desperate, Banti explains that he only did this to protect the family's honor because Guru had gone missing. In the middle of this chaos, Ruhani arrives with an unconscious Guru, supported by Ishan. But when Guru regains consciousness and learns the truth, his heartbreak turns into anger. He feels that Ruhani's actions have destroyed his brother's life and ruined Jasleen's marriage. His love for Ruhani dies in that moment and turns into hatred. He refuses to accept her or this forced situation. The pain deepens further when Jasleen, overwhelmed by betrayal and grief, turns against Banti and blames Ruhani for everything. In her broken state, she declares Ruhani her enemy. As emotions explode, the grandmother throws Jasleen out of the house, taking advantage of her vulnerability and emotional collapse. In the final twist, Tejaswini declares the marriage invalid and demands that Guru marry her immediately. But Ruhani, now standing as his rightful wife, refuses to back down. And from this moment on, a darker game begins.